It's nice.
Finally.
Oh, finally. You gonna land him? Man, he's really taking off, isn't he? Is he gonna be decent? Don't tell me it's a pike. I don't like pike. Oh, it's a nice. Oh gosh, it's a big bass.
You gonna grab the net or no?
Oh, I'm videotaping.
What?
It's a real nice bass. What do you think it is? 2.5?
Probably 3.
Maybe a 3. Probably 2.5.
2.5. Yeah. I guess it's not big.
It's fat. Bigger than what? Jeez. Bigger than what we usually catch.
It's a real fire.
Yeah, it is. What'd you catch it on?
On the old Canada drawn that
Damn right.
1/10 ounce.
Gonna go for the release. Yeah, it's a nice one. On a new lake. There it goes.
Back to its home.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I mean, 5 of those would make it pretty.
Yeah.
To get you something.
So the trick is, don't fish in the thick weeds.
No, I mean, I wasn't getting no weeds. I just knew. I knew. Sweet, if I can catch decent ones on a
That'd be nice. I'd like to catch one at Kitech.
first fish on a new lake. How about we start?
Yep. Got one. On a Kitech. I don't think it's that big. It's coming right at me. Because it's a dink.
You catch the dinks.
I catch a dinks on a big bass lure. Makes sense, right?
Can I catch
The decent one on a little Ned rig. This little guy.
I'm trying to get around this.
Who? Let's not snag the power lines.
Guys are got more lures.
I know. Got one. Thing nailed it. I don't think it's that big. Watch me like a rock bass. Oh my goodness. That thing nailed it. That's right. Jeez. Apparently they like these things. This kind of cuts in. That's weird. Oh, I just had a follower. Oh, you get one?
Mm-hmm.
Decent one?
No.
That's another dink.
Mm.
Oh, man. Look at that. Oh,
Yeah,
jeez.
I touched it.
He touched it. Counts.
Oh.
So this is what we're going to do. We're going to start off the day. You catch a 2-pounder. Rest of the day, nothing but 12 inchers.
I wouldn't call it 12 inches.
Well, that was probably 10.
I'd like that. It'd been nice.
Back on. Dang it. I got him. Dude, he hit 3 times. 3 times. It might be decent. I mean, it's decent.
You might be in the right bay.
Yep. 3 times he
I
hit.
don't want to just hit the damn spot lock. Should I go out the middle a little bit and hit spot lock?
I mean, you could. I mean, cast on both sides. Little guy. I mean, I guess he was decent. See, this is why Kitechs kind of suck. They don't last very long. I got 3 fish on that one. Yep.
Do it right here.
Yeah, it's fine. Recording. This lake is so full of weeds. It's really, really clear. And really weed lake. This, I'm sure they do.
This area.
You got a weed or you got a fish? Which one's it gonna be?
Let's say we.
Do you see how beautiful this lake is?
Yeah, who's driving this?
Like, oh my gosh!
Little guy.
Big old bass. On a bed, believe it or not. I'm not even joking, dude. Like, I swear to God, it's on a bed. I got him. How cool is that? I swear that was on a bed.
There's no way. No.
Dude, there's a circle right there and I'm sitting right on it.
I mean, it could be sitting up there like.
I'm gonna need the net. That's probably a good 2 and it's gonna go down in the weeds.
Okay, okay, it's twitching my arm. Is that 2-pounder?
It is.
Get in here.
Just making it all awkward. Look at that. Decent one.
Didn't
He did. He choked it. Dude, I casted right to it and I saw it swim off the bed. And wham! Maybe a 2.5. This thing's heavy. Like the last video, it's gotta be a 3.5. It's gotta be. I mean, it's probably like a 2. Honestly.
You wanna check it?
Yeah, we can weigh it. Oh, 2.2 pound. Or 2 pounds, 2 ounces. Not bad. I mean, I was close. I guess like a 2, 2.5. Oh, I guess it's just gonna flop in. I've never fished a lake. Oh, yes I have. Pettibone Lake in Bitely. Got one. Doesn't feel very big. But yeah, Pettibone Lake in Bitely. Oh, look at that Rocco bass. Oh,
Rocky bass.
hits like a nice one. Bites like a dink. Rocco bass.
Like going
Straight sand.
no other fisherman.
You notice how shallow this looks up ahead? See how it looks very sandy?
Perfect. Like,
I wonder if there's a big pike in here.
so.
I wonder what our other lakes are close to here.
Did you get something?
Oh my goodness. Is that what is that? I need the net. I need the net. I need the net, dude. I don't know. I need the net. I don't know what it is. I barely hooked it. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. I don't know what it is. You got the motor off?
Mm-hmm. We're just going with the wind though.
Oh, it's a, what is it?
It's a bass.
Is it really? It looked funky. Jeez, another decent one. It's got some weird colors.
That's
Like,
way different.
that's weird looking. Of course, rip the Kitech. What's new? Yeah, I barely hooked it. Actually, I can't say that. Look out, dude, like, my snap is wedged in its head. Oh, do you see that?
The Kitech completely gone.
Yeah. Dude, I literally hooked it with the snap.
Really?
Dude, look at this. Look at this. Do you see that? I hooked it with the snap.
That's why you snapped. So
Yep. It wasn't even hooked.
I thought
Like-
it looked like it was something weird, like something with big old fins.
I know, that's weird.
Stuck in your fin.
Probably because of the color. Did you catch one?
Mm-mm.
What was that? What was that noise right next to the boat? There's one.
Oh boy. What
Oh
is
God,
it?
it's a big one.
Big bass?
Yep. Nice bass. Maybe a 3. Maybe a 2.5.
Maybe a
Maybe
two.
a 2. Oh yeah.
Might be
On the
a
old-
Kitech kind of day.
On the old Kitech again. Out showing the old Ned rig. Decent one.
Go for the release. There you go.